Good morning, students. It so happened from the book, the chapter is Jalebis, chapter 8. It's a very interesting story, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. It's a story which has been written a long time back. It's written in Urdu and has been translated in English. The author is Ahmad Nadeem Kasmi. He is the author of this story, Jalebis. It happened many years ago, long time back. So he's talking in the first person, that is the author. I was in the 5th standard at the government school, Kambelpur. The place is called Kambelpur and now it is called Attak. One day I went to school with 4 rupees in my pocket to pay the school fees and the fund. That is the part of the fees. So in those days, 4 rupees had a lot of value. When I got there, I found that the teacher who collected the fees, a person who was in charge of collecting the fees, Master Ghulam Muhammad, was on leave. That day he was absent. And the fees would be collected the next day. So the day he went to that particular day, Master Ghulam Muhammad was not there. Like we have in our school, Bhandari sir who collects the fees. Similarly, Master Ghulam Muhammad was not there. All through the day, the coins simply sat in my pocket. Simply means quietly they were in his pocket. But once school got over and I was outside, they began to speak. You must be wondering, how can coins speak? It is not the coins which are speaking. Alright, coins don't talk. They jingle or go khanak khanak. Jingle is the English word and khanak khanak is the Hindi word for the sound when metal hits the metal. They jingle or go khanak khanak. But I am telling you, that day they actually spoke. One coin said, "What are you thinking about?" See, students, before you start getting any ideas, it is not the coins who are speaking. See, all of us, every individual has got 2 sides. One is the good and the other is the evil. That is the good side and the bad side. So here, it is not the coins who are speaking. It is the bad side of an individual. What are you thinking about? Those fresh hot jalebis coming out of the kadao. Kadao is the kadai, the vessel in which the jalebis are made. In the shop over there, they are not coming out for nothing. Jalebis are meant to be eaten and only those with money in their pocket can eat them. So his evil side is saying, you have got money in your pocket, spend them on those jalebis. Why don't you buy jalebis? And money isn't for nothing. Money is meant to be spent. And only they spend it who like jalebis. So his evil side, the bad side of he's a young boy, he's in class 5th and he's studying in a government school in Kambelpur, which is now called Attak. And he's unable to pay the fees because the concerned person, Master Ghulam Muhammad, is not there. And the evil sides start convincing him that you spend those money. Look here, you 4 rupees. Now his good side is, see, every person has got a good and an evil side. So his bad side is asking him to spend the money and his good side is saying, look here, you 4 rupees, I said to them, I am a good boy. Don't misguide me or it won't be good for you. He said, don't put me into the wrong direction. I get so much at home that I consider even looking at something in the bazaar a sin. He says, I get everything from the home. My family takes good care of me, so it's a sin. Paap hai mere liye. Besides, you are my fees and fund money. And besides, this is not the money to be spent. This is for my fees. If I spend you today, then how shall I show my face to Master Ghulam Muhammad in school tomorrow and after that to Allah Mia. Allah Mia is Almighty God at Qayamat. Qayamat is heaven after your death. So he's saying that if I spend this money, what will I say to Master Ghulam Muhammad and to the God? You probably don't know it, but when Master Ghulam Muhammad gets angry and makes you stand on the bench, he simply forgets to let you sit till the last bell rings. He's saying that Master Ghulam Muhammad is very strict. And if I spend this money, what will I pay him tomorrow? And then he'll punish me. And then when he punishes, he makes you stand on the bench. So it's best you stop chewing at my ears. So he says, "Oh, stop eating my ears and stop convincing me to spend the money and let me go home straight." So this is his good side. The coins disliked what I had said so much that all of them began to speak at the same time. So what happened is, again his evil side. There was such a clamor. Clamor is lot of sound. That passers-by in the bazaar stared eyes wide with surprise at me and my pocket. So when he's walking in the bazaar, you can see when he's walking in the bazaar, the coins in his pocket are making a lot of sound and all the people are looking at him. The coin of those days, the wretched is miserable. Miserable means unhappy thing, unhappy. Made me so much more noise too, and they were making a lot of noise in his pocket. Finally, in a panic, I grabbed all four of them. There are 4 coins in his pocket, and held them tight in my fist. Fist is when you close your hands. When you close your fingers and you join them, that is called a fist. And then they were silent. So to stop them from making the sound, he holds them tightly in his fist. So moving on to the next page. After taking a few steps, I loosened my grip. Grip is the hold. Immediately the old coin said, "Here we are trying to tell you something for your own good and you are trying to strangle us instead." So one of the coins, it is not the coins, it is his evil side, is saying that we are trying to help you, and what you are doing, you are trying to strangle us. Strangle means when you stop somebody from breathing properly, that is called strangle. Tell me honestly, now, don't you feel like eating those hot jalebis? So his evil side is tempted to buy those hot jalebis. And then if you do end up spending us for today, won't you get the scholarship money tomorrow? See, scholarship is the money which the government gives you for your good performance, academic performance, for your brilliance. So he's a good student. Even today, nowadays, in government school, all those students who do well in their class, they get a monthly scholarship from the government. So he is a good student, so he is also going to get a scholarship money. Sweets with fees money. So what the evil side is telling him, sweets with fees money. What they are saying is, buy jalebi with the fee money and fees you pay with the scholarship money. End of story. Kissa khatam, paisa hazam. So what he is saying is that with the fees money you buy jalebis and tomorrow you will get the scholarship, and with scholarship you pay the fees. So it's so easy. Why are you panicking? So that is the first part of this story. We'll continue it in the second part. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.